How's it going, everyone?
You said never let me go.
The Chevy Equinox
You
2018.
said never let me
5
go.
liters, two-wheel drive.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Take out the drain plug, right? Once we drip it off, we drain all the oil, and we'll change the oil filter. I'll catch you guys right back. As y'all can see, that's all it is. Just remove the oil drain plug. You know, let it drip all in the pan. Get all that oil out. Yeah, pretty simple. I recommend you guys use gloves, because as soon as you start removing that drain plug, it will start, all the oil will start coming out. Once we're done with this, we'll let it another about 5 minutes to let it keep dripping. We'll take out the oil filter, and there'll be another extra oil coming out. And then we should tie back up the drain plug. All right, remember, size 15 socket wrench. See, now I'm removing the oil filter, letting it drain for a little bit. Again, like you can see, I used the K&N part, HP 1017. Again, you can cross-reference it at any auto parts. But yeah, I'm just continue the process, taking out the oil filter, and I just plugged in my drain plug. Make sure you do it hand tight until it's really tight. And then now we're gonna go ahead and continue the oil filter process right now. One of the things you want to do is lubricate it. Put that new oil in, put it around the seal, and then a little bit inside there. Make sure you lubricate it before prior putting it in. It's a pretty simple process. Just add a little bit, and then just with your fingertips, just go ahead and rub in the seal. Look just like that. Brand new oil, ready to be put on. As you can see, we just put in the oil filter, hand tight. Remember, no wrenches, no nothing. When you take it off, you usually want to take it off with a wrench, because as you drive over time, it'll tighten itself up and just get adjusted to that pressure. So you're just gonna need just a quick wrench to take it off. But when you tighten up, just tighten it hand tight. As you can see, there's no leak. You always want to look for a leak. Make sure that gasket was sealed correctly. Again, hand tight only. So the next step is to reset your oil when it'll be your next oil change, to reset it, right? So for the 2018 Chevy Equinox, you're gonna have to head to vehicle, right? We were originally at 56%. All I gotta do is hold the check mark on my steering wheel right here. It says, are you sure you want to reset it? Yes. And it's back to 100. It's that simple. Once you finish that oil change, go ahead and reset it. I'm currently letting the car run just for a little bit, getting all that oil pumped in, running to that oil filter through all that engine, getting all that new oil in, running for a little bit. But yeah, so that's how you reset the oil, the remaining oil life. Icon here on the 2018 Equinox, pretty simple. Just head again towards vehicle and be right there. Depending on where your display where it's indicating, so let's say if it's on speed warning, all you gotta do is just scroll up until you see oil remaining life right there. All right, other than that, it's been George.
You said